Hello there. To install Power Components, the first step is to install Power Commons, a prerequisite package for all Orektic products, including Power Components. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step installation process of Power Component. Click on the Get It Now button on the Power Components App Exchange page. Click on Continue with Salesforce and enter your Salesforce credentials to log in. Choose the environment for installation and click Continue. Review all the details, check the Terms and Conditions checkbox, and click Confirm and Install. Now, select the user base and click on Install. Now that Power Commons is installed, you can effortlessly install Power Components directly from the Power Commons application page. Go to App Launcher and search for Power Commons and click on it. Now locate the Power Components and click on Install Now button in front of it. Now select the user base and click Go Install button. It will install Power Components in your instance. Now go to App Launcher and search for Power Components and click on it. Enjoy the Power Components now.